Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to get this look here. I was inspired by a makeup look that I saw on Instagram last night, and I went to bed thinking I really want to create this look. So here it is on my face. I feel like my viewfinder is a little bit blurry. I'm not sure what's going on with my camera right now, so I apologize if it kind of goes in and out of focus. I think I touched something and I screwed something up and might have to restart my camera. But yeah. This look is not for everyone. It's a little bit out there. I consider it wearable, but like not everyone's gonna want to rock a more or less a lime green lid with a burgundy metallic lip. It doesn't really translate super metallic like some other lipsticks do, but yeah, I like it. And if you guys want to see how I did it, then let's get right into it. Okay, so I've already applied my eyeshadow base, which today I used the Anastasia primer because I don't need to set it. I'm just basically going in with one wash of color like this. On the viewfinder, it's showing more of like a deeper yellow. In real life, it's more like a chartreuse green. I'm using the Urban Decay Electric palette. I know they just came out with a new palette, but I didn't get it because I still have this one. This one still works just fine for me. So I'm just basically taking this all over my lid with a denser crease brush, the MAC 217, the older one, and I'm just taking the one eyeshadow all over my eye. This is like the easiest look ever today. Just taking it up and it's slightly into the crease. You could take it up as high as suits your eyeballs. I kind of like to take mine slightly higher and like diffuse it out. I just find that way is flattering for my eye shape. But I'm basically just working this in, buffing it out, and applying my brow bone highlight shade, which is from the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. As usual, the Strange. This has lasted me so long. I'm going to be sad when it runs out because I don't really think that this is available in a single pan from Urban Decay anymore, which is kind of sad because I haven't really found anything that's quite, I haven't really looked that hard, but I'm just going back in with that same brush with nothing on it and just blending the two together. Shh, don't act up now. Okay, so that's basically it for the eyes. I'm going to add some eyeliner to the rest of my face and come back and show you the rest of the look. Alright, I'm coming back midway through to finish the lower lash line and to explain to you what I've done so far on the face. For today I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation again. Is that what it's called? Photo Focus? Yeah. I like the way it went on the last time I used it, so I don't know, I'm going to keep using it because it's really pretty. And for blush, I used this Stila convertible color in the shade Lilium. It was a neutral color, so I thought that would go good with the lip that I'm going to add on next. For bronzer, I used my little Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced. And for highlight, I used my Fenty Beauty. It's a mini one. It came in a, what did this come with? Oh, I think it came with the mini Sweet Mouth. It's the shade Sandcastle. And I can only wear it some days because sometimes I find it's a little too dark, but this is what it looks like. I will show you a swatch on my dry hand. That's the swatch there. So I use that on top of my Hourglass highlighting stick. I'm just going to add a little bit more of this just to blend it in with the blush. I like to have a seamless transition. I don't want to see where the highlight stops and the blush begins. I'm just going to add a little bit more. And then, what else did I do? Oh, I just added a little bit of the Sandcastle highlight to my upper lip as well before I go in with my lip. Now, I'm not going to do the lip on camera because I'm doing a dark lip and I can't do it, and because I have to get so in, like you wouldn't be able to see, I have to get so close to the mirror. So what I decided to do is just to come back, explain to you what I've done with the face. I'm going to finish off with the lower lash line and then I'm going to finish off everything else. I am going to use false lashes today because I feel like this look calls for it. So next I'm going to go in with this Hourglass NARS pencil. It's pretty old and I need to get a new one, but it's called Hollywoodland. I don't know if they still make it, but I'm just using whatever light base I have to make the green stick. I do need to get a new one of those though. I'm going back in with the green shade on actually I'm going to use a slightly less dense brush because when you're putting a powder on top of the cream, the color is already intensified. So if I'm going to go in with this, it'll be a little more intense, versus if I go in with a fluffier brush, it's going to be a little lighter. So I'm just going to take that on. This brush that I'm using it came with one of the Anastasia palettes. I don't know which one, it's the dual-ended one here. But now I'm not going to take it all the way in. If your eye shape flatters that, then by all means go ahead and do it. I'm just going to take a gold to make the colors blend. I actually like what I did. I should have put that as a base on the on that lid. Oh well. Okay. Setting a little more here. I also added my Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby on the inner corners as well to blend it in. Okay, for the inner corners, I guess I'll just take my usual gold, or maybe, let me just see which one's lighter between the L'Oreal Gold Mind and the other one. That might work. I do like a brighter inner highlight, so inner corner highlight. One's more shimmery, one's less shimmery. I don't know if you can see that there. That's the Gold Mine and that's that MAC. I think I'll just start with the MAC and go from there. Actually, no. I'm going to use the other one and see how that fares. So I'm just going to take a little bit on the cap. Alright. And I'm putting it on the inner corner here first, and then I'm going to bring it into the inner corner. The lower lash inner corner. Do I want that on the inner corner? Sometimes I don't know how shimmery I want it. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of the MAC one as well and just add that over top. There we go. And then blend it onto the lid. Okay. I think that looks pretty. I'm happy with it. Alright, I am gonna put my lip on, and I'm gonna add the lashes and mascara, and I believe that's it after that, and then I'll come back and reveal the completed look. Alright, I'm back with the final look. I feel like these lights are washing me out more than usual today, because what I see on the viewfinder versus what I see in real life is slightly off, but there's not much I can do about that. I turned a couple of my lights off to see if that helps, but for some reason, I don't know if it's the foundation or if it's the combination of the dark lip against my skin. Just today, I don't know, it's just not coming off the way I see it in the mirror. Anyways, I added some lashes. If I were to wear this look again, which I'm going to, I think I'm going to wear this look to work tomorrow because I'm really loving it. I'm going to switch out the lashes so I used, from Ardell, Black Demi 102. They're like kind of spiky looking, but tomorrow I think I'm just going to wear these ones. They're pre-cut Demi Wispies. They kind of just, you can add some to the outer edge and then gradually make less and less and less as you're going in towards the inner corner, which is what I think I'm going to do tomorrow, because as much as I do love this look, I don't know, for some reason I haven't worn these lashes in a really long time, and I think they're just a little bit slightly much, but I mean, they're on now and it's not horrible, but yeah. And the lip that I used is this one from MAC Crowned Retro Matte. It's a metallic color, but I don't really like metallic lips. Why is it not focusing? I think my camera is on its way out, which is really crappy because I can't afford another one right now. Anyways, I'm just gonna get rid of this mirror. It's like in my face and I don't like it. Anyways, guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. Hope you learned something. It's not for everyone. Switch it out for whatever you want. Switch out the eye, make it gold, make it, I don't know, a bronze color. Bronze would look really nice with this lip, maybe. I don't know. Probably would, but I'm not into it right now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!